All right, what's going on, everybody? Today is August 17th, 2018, and what we're looking at right now is Bitcoin, and I see a major deal. It's almost like a guarantee type play. So what we've seen in the past is some obvious movement, and what we see here is the fact that price was hitting some level of support over and over and over, and price is starting to turn. I saw this a little while ago when price was like a little bit down here, and I see price getting to this area right here, but at the least to the H4 key level right here. Now, what I would definitely suggest so that you can be able to actually get more of our videos is hit the subscribe button. Anybody that subscribes is going to have the opportunity to be able to have a one-on-one coaching with me for one full week. Every single month. On the first of the month, I'm actually going to pick out 5 students, and those 5 students can be able to actually work with me. So back to the charts. So what we see on the daily time frame is we see this trend line, point A, point B. It used to be point B, but point B and into the future. And what I see is price getting to this area right here. Okay. Let's see. Let me actually see this last swing right here. How far that is. Yeah, just about. And it'll probably actually break through that trend line finally. So let's go to the H4 time frame, see what we see. This is what I really caught, and I think this is like the bread and butter, and it really shows you that that just looking at the simple stuff. My teacher when I first got started, he said, "Listen, don't forget the simple-ish, right?" And something simple is the fact that if I was to look at this right here, my EMA and SMA, I see it's about a cross, right? Which is a major deal. Now, why? Why is it a major deal? Because price hasn't crossed to the upside since here. And I want you to see something really cool. So I'm putting my cursor right on where price crossed, right? And I'm going to go all the way to the right, right? And what do we see? Price crossed at the same exact level. Pretty interesting. Wouldn't you agree? So I see price has already broke structure, right? Price, let's go to the H1, right? Well, it's right at that level when it comes to the actual H1. Let's look at the H2 and see how that one moves. Price is literally right at that moment right there. So it's not for sure or for certain, but I wouldn't be surprised if price is going to break out of the area, retest that area, and then from there, push up to this H4 key level, and then from that key level, I wouldn't be surprised actually get to this trend line right here. I'm almost sure of it, right? If it doesn't push up to this area right here, it'll probably, no, it's going up there, okay? I know it for sure, okay? So if anything, just trust and believe that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But again, subscribe so that you can be able to actually get access to our videos right when they come out. You can be able to actually click on a button, the alerts button, and then it'll actually send directly to you right away. Another thing that you can be able to do is you can be able to go onto our actual website, fxpronow.com, and on fxpronow.com, all of our content is beautifully laid out. All you got to do is just log in, and once you log in, you're going to have your actual own profile. And then from there, we have a Facebook that you'll be able to find us, fxpronow.com on Facebook, and you'll be able to actually get alerts of any time that we're actually doing a group coaching, right? Completely for free. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, Eastern Standard Time at 9 p.m., I'm going to be doing session number 1, which is the basics of Forex, and then also session number 2, which is like an intermediate 10 pips, like guaranteed type method that I've come up with. That's Tuesdays and Thursdays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now on Wednesdays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have an advanced course that I do, completely for free, where I show you exactly how I do things like this, as far as like the H4 key level, like how I set this up. Literally, if I was going to start out from scratch. So we have the daily right here. We have the H4. Bitcoin is completely different. It's daily in H4, but for like EUR, USD, it's going to be the monthly and weekly key levels, and you'll see how this goes. So I'll see you in the next video. you know, let's become FX pro now and really understand that you can even make whatever it is that you want in the markets, but you got to put in the time, you got to put in the effort to mark up your charts. The only way you're going to learn how to mark up your charts is you know, really by learning it. Okay, so who's going to be your teacher? You know, I don't mind being it. So see you guys soon, and you know, see you on the next video.